and I work with Miss Stephanie at the Mullica Hill branch. Today we're going to be doing an experiment, and you will need a bowl of water and ice, salt, and a string, not too big, not too small. Now before I start, have any of you ever been fishing? Now when you go fishing, you're going to stick your line in the water and wait for the fish to bite, and then you pull out the fish. So this experiment is going to resemble fishing. To start, we're going to put our fishing line in the water, and you'll notice the ice will act as the fish. So the fishing line has not caught any fish. You can move it around and you notice that the fish do not stick. Now, if we add salt, and wait a few minutes, let's see if anything happens. Okay, so I waited about a minute, and now we're going to lift up our fishing rod and see if we caught any fish. So now that you see the salt in the water causes the ice to stick to the string, and this is because the salt is making the water freeze to the string. As you can see, I have multiple ice cubes in here, but it only caught a few of them. So you can try this experiment again and see if you can catch more. I hope you had as much fun today as I did.